Clay, do you want to help me make some trail mix today?
Oh, yeah, sure.
All right. Well, first, before we get started, I think we need to make sure we have all of our ingredients. You want to help me with that? Perfect. Can you read me off what the ingredients are?
Yes, so there's 2 cups of raisins,
Okay, we got our raisins.
2 cups of peanuts,
Okay, let's see if we have our peanuts.
A simple activity like cooking uses many different reading skills a child needs to be successful at school. Reading and following a recipe teaches children to follow directions in order and exposes them to different types of formatting and printing.
1 cup of sunflower seeds,
Perfect. And here is our sunflower seeds. Okay, now that we have all of our ingredients out, I think it's good to notice that I don't think we have 2 cups of all these ingredients. So what do you think we should do?
we could cut the ingredients in half.
That sounds like a terrific idea. So the first ingredient calls for raisins. We'll pull out our raisins first. And how many cups did we say we were going to use?
1 cup.
1 cup. Okay, I'll give you the measuring cup. You can help me scoop these out. Do you know what raisins are?
I don't know.
They're dried up grapes.
Doing activities with your child like cooking provides a perfect time to be your child's first teacher. This type of interaction helps your child understand the meaning of words and the sequencing of reading material.
Think that looks good?
Yeah.
You want to give it a try?
Yeah.
All right, let's go for it. Ready? What do you think? Good? Good job.
For additional information, go to improvingliteracy.org. Produced by the National Center on Improving Literacy, Idaho State Department of Education, and Idaho Public Television. Our partners include the Idaho Commission for Libraries, Idaho Parents Unlimited, and Idaho AEYC. Copyright National Center on Improving Literacy.